Today I'm replacing the charging port on a Nintendo Switch OLED. I'll show you a safer, low temperature method that protects the motherboard from heat damage. Let's get into the process. And here we just need a bit of patience. Since we're not using very high temperatures, the heating process takes a little longer. Slow and steady keeps the board safe. Now we're going to drag solder across the pads again. The goal here is to replace all the high temperature solder with low melt solder, so it becomes much easier to clean the pads later with soldering. And we continue dragging solder while using the heat gun at the same time, because the motherboard is thick and dissipates heat very quickly. Adding gentle hot air helps keep the solder molten, making it much easier to drag and clean the pads without stressing the board. Now I'm using the heat gun together with tweezers to gently heat the pads at around 280 degrees. This helps the solder reflow and smooth out the surface, making the pads cleaner and more even for the new charging port. Done. I go over each solder joint to make sure everything is solid and add more solder wherever it's needed. For the tail pins, I also add a bit of fresh solder to reinforce and seal them properly. Once everything is cleaned up and the pads look perfect, the job is complete. Alright. That wraps up this repair. Thanks for watching. Follow for more board level fixes and microscope work.